Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month to offer you an amazing 10% deposit bonus of any size when you deposit $500 or more on their platform. For example, you could deposit 10k and get a 1k bonus totally for free, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can do the maths on any deposits above that. Link is below in the description, make sure you sign up and get involved today. We've also struck up a great partnership this month with BitUnix, who are offering up to $5,500 of bonuses for first time depositors on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up there as well. Finally, we've partnered with Funded Bits, who have a great discount going on their funded challenges right now of 20%. Amazing trading platform and conditions, so make sure to get involved there as well. Link down below. So just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. Not too much to report today, just checking in for another little daily update. You can see we have been slowly grinding our way to the downside, looking like we're trying to come down and close below this bear market range low support for Polygon. Obviously Polygon, this isn't all of the price history, but the price history of the exchange I was using before obviously disappeared a few months ago. So I'm using this price exchange data from Coinbase when it got listed. It was sitting at around 30 cents and we are currently in and around that 30-cent level at this low right now, looking ridiculously oversold to be honest, and very bottom-y. You know when people say toppy? I think this is looking very bottom-y right now. We've tested into this area multiple times. There's lots of consolidation in this area. The altcoin basket overall is looking like it's just chopping sideways. Bitcoin's just chopping sideways as well. Overall, I do think Polygon is looking like it's going to get a bounce from this area, just because it's so oversold right now, and the fact that we have come into this area multiple times, so much support here, and there's be lots of demand for this token. I don't think many people are selling at 30 cents for Polygon when they could probably just hold and make a significant gain going forward. We've already had this really nice bounce previously from this area, and now coming into this area of liquidity, you could get a little bit of a sweep below and then a bounce back up, but right now not too much to report for Polygon at all. Bitcoin's just chopping the market up by going sideways like this for a good while. You can see the altcoin basket following suit after that ridiculous wick that we saw at the start of the month on the 3rd of February. And right now we're basically just waiting to see what Bitcoin does next to decide the fate of Polygon and the rest of the altcoin market. Right now, altcoin's looking bearish today, but I do think we could get a reverse back around soon with the right market sentiment. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up to BTCC to get your free 10% deposit bonus, and BitUnix for a massive bonus on sign up, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.